Hi, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the magnification feature on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can double tap on the screen or press the left upper button. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and here select the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on accessibility. And here we have option called Magnification Gestures. Enable it by tapping on it, then tap the check mark, and now we can magnify our screen by triple tapping on it. So 1, 2, 3. To magnify it, you can move around by using sliding two fingers on the screen, like this. And to exit the magnification, simply triple tap on the screen again. Okay, let's disable the magnification gestures by tapping on it and tap checkmark to confirm. And that's how you use the magnification feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.